Hello students, in today's video we will discuss the topic right circular cylinder. We will discuss what the right circular cylinder is and how the right circular cylinder is generated. The right circular cylinder is that cylinder in which the axis of the cylinder is perpendicular to the baseline, and the right circular cylinder is generated by rotating a rectangle about one of its side. Now suppose that ABCD is a rectangle in which AB is the length of the rectangle and BC is the breadth of the rectangle. Now if you rotate this rectangle ABCD by fixing the side AB and rotate it about side AB, we will get the 3D shape which is in the form of right circular cylinder. So in this cylinder, the height of the cylinder will be h, which is equals to length of the rectangle L. So height will be equals to h, which is equals to length of the rectangle AB, that is equals to L. And if R is the radius of the cylinder, then circumference of the base of the cylinder will be equals to breadth of this rectangle. So circumference will be equals to 2 pi r, which is equals to breadth of this rectangle, that is B. Now curved surface area of this cylinder will be equals to area of this rectangle. So curved surface area will be equals to area of the rectangle ABCD. So area of the rectangle is length of the rectangle into breadth of the rectangle. Now in place of L we can write H, and in place of B we can write 2 pi r. So curved surface area will be equals to 2 pi r into H, and the unit will be square unit. Now total surface area will be equals to curved surface area of the cylinder and 2 into area of one of its end of the cylinder. So total surface area will be CSA plus 2 into area of one of its end, which is equals to curve, since curved surface area is 2 pi RH. So in place of curved surface area, we will write 2 pi RH and 2 into area of one of its end. Since the area of one of its end, that is area of both the end will be equals to area of circle, because the shape of both of the end of the right circular cylinder is in the form of circle. So area of one of its end will be 2 pi r square. Now we can take 2 pi r as common. So within bracket there will be h plus r. So volume TSA will be equals to 2 pi r within bracket h plus r and the unit will be square unit. Now volume of the cylinder will be V equals to area of the base of the right circular cylinder multiplied by height of the cylinder. So volume will be equals to area of the base into height, and area of base is pi r square because base is in the shape of circle. So area of the base will be pi r square into h, and unit will be cubic unit. So in this video we have discussed what is the right circular cylinder and how the right circular cylinder is generated, and we have discussed the curved surface area, which is equals to 2 pi RH square unit, total surface area, which is equals to 2 pi r within bracket h plus r square unit, and volume is equals to pi r square h cubic unit. This is all about in this video. How did you like this video? Please write in our comment section. In our next video we will discuss